From Vancouver, British Columbia, my name is Larry Page. I'd like to speak with you today about the fortunes of a company called Silver Exploration Corporation. The company we're going to talk about today has got two projects in Mexico and New Mexico, both of which have got the potential to become significant mines in the medium term. And I say that because of my experience with a Western silver company that developed a mine in Penasquito. It became the biggest silver mine in Mexico. And we were quite happy when the shareholders got a $1.2 billion payday. So what we do in our group is we nurture the companies to the stage where their properties are so compelling that majors need them and they'll pay a premium for them. It might be useful to just tell you a little bit about why we got the company. We wanted to see if we could emulate the success of Western Silver. We believe we have all the ingredients to do that. We acquired a large property package of artisanal miners who had various claims, put it all together, bought it for $4 million. We own it 100%. We have no partners and we have no burdens. All of those things make the property very, very attractive to major companies. We're at the stage now that in 2019, we published a resource of 272 million silver equivalent ounces. That is a lot. And that is composed of silver, lead, and zinc, all of which are metals that are in great demand. Southern Silver just finished a $12 million raise. It was oversubscribed. It was upsized once. Why we did that was because it was a bought deal with Red Cloud Securities. We were very pleased to get the recognition and also the fact that institutions are now buying our stock and putting it away. That's a very significant building block. So we finished that. We've got plus or minus $20 million in the bank. So we put everything together to the stage where we're masters of our own destiny. We started a 20,000 meter drill program with 2 rigs. That's drawn to a conclusion now. And the next step is to take all of that data, give it to an independent resource evaluator who's going to tell us what our resource is now, as opposed to what it was in 2019. So we've been promoting off of 272 million silver equivalent ounces. Our task was to increase that by at least 30%. The geologist in charge of the project assures me that he's met his milestone. So in August, we'll know. So that's another building block to tell the shareholders and potential shareholders what the property looks like, and then you pass that information on to engineers who are going to do a preliminary engineering design on the property to see what its present value is. And we expect to have that at the beginning of 2022. So all of those things are coming together quite nicely. We are very, very heartened by the fact that we were able to drill high-grade silver, and it should, and we believe it will, induce the consulting engineer to say that the economics of the project have increased markedly, because if you have oxide and sulfide or near surface, it changes the dynamics of an engineering structure. So that's where we are with that. We have a property in New Mexico. It's all together. We've done all the preliminary science on that project so that it's drill ready. We've completed all of the requirements for permitting, and subject to rig availability, we'll have a drill turning there, going deep into the structure to see if there is a porphyry copper there. This property goes back to the early 1900s, 5 producing mines on the property, all producing down to the water level. What it tells the geologists is that there's distal metals, gold, silver, lead, zinc, which may well surround a deep-seated porphyry copper project. Copper is very much in demand now, and the price is reflecting that. So we're funded to do this. We expect that while we're in a bit of a study phase on Cerro Las Minitas, this project will provide very compelling news as to what we hope to be a new discovery. We're funded. We have very competent and capable staff. We have 2 great properties, and we have commodities that the market wants. We believe that there's a very, very bright future. If you're a shareholder, I'm happy with you because so am I. And if you're not a shareholder, you may want to consider becoming one. That's my 6-minute pitch. Thank you.